Hi, this is David at Stoneyard. I'm here today to talk about stone panels. We have some Cambridge blend, and this is a full panel, so this is 8 by 24. And I had a question recently about how do we handle corners. And the quick answer is we're going to miter it, but let me explain why. So this is a really good spot. This is a really high, hill, and then these are kind of valleys. So if I was to try to just kind of cut these ends off and weave this back and forth like we traditionally would do for thin veneer on the corners, it would not do a very nice job. So take a look here. And let me just look at the finished product. Notice that we cut a miter, okay? And I'm going to pull this apart. So, we have right here, we cut that little knob off, and then we cut this on, a 45-degree angle so that we could merge these two together. So, take a look here, see how we cut this. Now, if it was an outside corner, we would have cut the miter the other way, but this is an inside corner, so this is the way you do the inside cuts. And again, you see how this is kind of sticking out, and this is sticking in a little bit, that's even sticking in more. Well, when you put the miter back together, it adjusts for it, and it looks really nice. So, we're nice and level up here. I mean, I know we haven't mudded this, but we're just dry setting it. But then you're just going to keep doing the same thing, as the wall goes up.